Lexus has taken a while to build an entry-level luxury SUV, but with its new UX, which stands for Urban Explorer, it has two features that make it stand out from the Audi Q3, BMW X1, and other competitors. The UX will be available in two configurations. The base UX 200 is a front-wheel drive SUV, and it comes with a 169 horsepower, 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and a continuously variable transmission. The first big feature comes with the all-wheel drive UX 250h. This is the only luxury entry-level SUV with a hybrid powertrain. The 250h uses a 175 horsepower 2-liter engine. It's aided by an electric drive and only offered with all-wheel drive. We rented a hybrid version from Lexus to get some first impressions. The hybrid's engine and transmission work fine for everyday driving, but during hard acceleration, the engine gets very noisy. Lexus says the UX hybrid should get 38 miles per gallon combined in the EPA tests, and the base UX 33 miles per gallon combined. The UX has unexciting handling. The user experience is nothing special. The ride is pleasant overall, but on occasion drivers will feel a big, hard impact in a non-Lexus sort of way. The cabin is quiet, but again, not on par with other Lexus vehicles. Most drivers found the front seats comfortable, but typical for the class. The rear seat is tight for adults, with limited knee and toe room. The materials in our rented press car are modern looking and have a high quality feel. Lexus uses a touchpad to access the infotainment system. We've found it a challenge to use in other models, and it's no different in the UX. But fortunately, most audio controls are accessed through a small pod on the console between the seats. We like that the climate controls are hard buttons on the center dash. But Lexus still requires users to go into that infuriating infotainment system for some adjustments, such as syncing the temperature and turning off the air conditioning. One neat touch are the illuminated knobs on the vent controls. The small cargo area can be expanded by folding the rear seats down, but carrying longer items may require front seat occupants to slide their seats forward. The other unique UX feature is that it comes with standard forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking. The UX goes on sale in December and will start in the low $30,000 range. For more on entry-level luxury SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.